Hello, Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. Today, 2020 Scout 255 Dorado. Midnight blue color, of course with that Carolina flare, really just shows off the profile of the Scout design. Starting at the transom, twin Yamaha 150 XCAs. That's going to be the electronic shift and throttle. Again, very efficient, easy to use, easy to control. With the twins, it really makes this 25-foot boat really simple to dock. Do have a swim platform on either side of the motors, swim ladder on the starboard. As you walk through transom, first thing you're probably going to notice, nice ski pole. Again, the Dorado is really meant to be a fishing machine that also doubles as a family boat. So to pull an inner tube, wakeboarder, water skier, this is definitely going to be a necessity. Next to that, you're going to have your rod holders. Again, you're going to still have a fishing machine. You have that ability. Moving next to the bait well. If you do want to have some extra space in the cockpit, one of my favorite features is going to be all these fold-away benches. Fold all this up, lots of space back here to work if you're fishing or just hanging out, you want some extra space. Yeti slide-out cooler, starboard side. Again, everybody knows Yeti, the quality that comes with it really pairs nicely with what Scout has to offer. This reverse lounge seat does also come all the way out. As you can see here, fold back in if you want it as more of a chair. Cutting board, sink, great bait prep station, or a place to get on a good spread of snacks. Large hardtop, very beefy system to keep it from rattling and shaking when you're running 50 miles an hour across the bay in some rougher water. Last thing you want is your hardtop moving, not going to be an issue with the Scout. So you move forward towards the helm. Nice, clean. Everything's integrated through the Garmin screen here. The motor information pulls up here, chart, really everything that you need. Nice club box next to that. Still have the push button option for some of the basic features, your horn, your bill trumps, run the windlass, that type of stuff, so you don't have to go through the screen to find it. Fusion stereo, one of the best in the business, very simple and easy to use. Bluetooth streaming, AM, FM, again, really what you need. Paired with the JL audio speakers, really makes a nice sound system. Both sides, port and starboard, have these double wide forward facing seats. You're gonna have a flip down bolster on them, as well as a flip down armrest. As you move forward, what you'd expect to find in any 25 footer, you're gonna have a head with a sink. Great place for storage, also works in case of emergencies. Forward of the helm, big storage space also. Close this off in inclement weather, gets you out of the wind and the waves. As you move forward to the bow, you'll notice how deep it is. Lots of space. You really feel like you're down in the boat when you're sitting inside of here. You're going to see the coaming boards go all the way around on three sides, so really any direction that you want to sit, it's going to be comfortable. Cup holders are tucked down nicely out of the way, out of the sun. Standard feature on the 255, you are going to have the windlass. You're not going to want to be pulling that anchor up and down. Again, makes your afternoon on the water just that much easier. Nice little added bonus. We did add the rod holder / cup holders in the front of this boat. So if you're doing some fishing, you want to throw the pole over the side or just another place to throw your drink. Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland, 2020 Scout 255 Dorado. Give us a phone call, stop on in. We'd love to take you for a test drive. Scouts perform better on the water.